The Bayraktar TB2, a Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicle, has revolutionized modern warfare and propelled Turkey to the forefront of the global drone industry. Developed by Baykar Technologies, the TB2 is renowned for its affordability, reliability, and impressive combat record. Unlike traditional military drones that require massive investments, the TB2 offers a cost-effective solution with advanced surveillance and precision strike capabilities. Its combat debut in conflicts such as Syria, Libya, and most notably the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War showcased its effectiveness. In these theaters, the TB2 enabled real-time intelligence gathering and precise targeting, often shifting the balance of power. Its success has attracted international buyers from Ukraine to Poland, making it a preferred choice among countries seeking to modernize their arsenals without breaking the bank. The TB2's impact also extends to military doctrine, proving that relatively inexpensive drones can neutralize high-value targets, disrupt enemy supply lines, and provide crucial battlefield intelligence. This has cemented Turkey's reputation as a global drone powerhouse.